Lot 10 is next. The Oldenburg Typewriter Eraser, showing on the screen there, lot 10. And $800,000 in this case starts it, $800,000 for it. At $800,000 now, at 800, 850, at 850, 900,000, at $900,000, 950,000, at $950,000. Against the telephones at 950 now. $1 million in the room now, 1,100,000, 1,200,000. The ladies bid now against the telephones. It's here at 1,200,000. Your bid, madam, at 1,200,000, at 1,200,000. Against your bidder here. It's in the room at $1,200,000. The ladies bid here against the telephones. And selling in the room then, fair warning, at 1,200,000. Neither of yours. It's here and 1,300,000, new bidder. 1,400,000 against you, sir, at the back. 1,400,000 is here against you at the very back. One more, sir. At 1,400,000. 1,500,000. 1,600,000. The ladies bid at 1,600,000 against you, sir. At $1,600,000. Your bid, madam, at 1,600,000 against you at the back, sir. At 1,600,000. Fair warning now. 1,700,000. 1,750,000. I'll take 1,800,000, sir. 1,750,000 is bid. Not 1,800,000. One more, madam. At $1,800,000. The gentleman's bid at 1,800,000. It's not yours here. It's selling at the back. All done. 1,850,000 in time. Not all done. Against you, sir, at 1,850,000. One more, sir. At 1,850,000. The bid's here, not yours, and selling 1,900,000. You bidding, madam? No, just pointing here. 1,900,000. Still against you, madam. You sure? $1,900,000, not yours, selling at the back for 1,900,000. For you, sir, 936. Thank you.